We are at Folkmanis at the Javits Center 2013. These puppets are unbelievable. They are so lifelike. And even look at this little guy. He's precious. And everything that you see here is just unbelievable. That's the only way I can describe it.
This is alpaca.
Oh, he looks like he's talking. You want a kiss? Give me kiss, kiss, kiss. And they're so lovable. Yes, you're so lovable. And they feel so great. Yes, oh, I love you too. The baby cub bear.
He's a baby.
He's a baby.
Face right at the camera.
Oh, you did. Hey, where are you, sweetheart? Yes, the little baby, he's precious. And I swear he's alive. I swear he's alive. Yes. You tickle.
Ragdoll cat.
Ragdoll cat. Meow. 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 Yes, meow.
What did the cat say to the chicken?
What?
Meow.
And I'm a foxy lady with a fox. How about that? He's cute.
Is that a dinosaur?
It is T-Rex.
Biggest, baddest of them all.
Oh, I'm shy. Oh my god, it's just too much fame.
The enchanted tree puppet.
Very glamorous dragon friend. Wings.
Oh, and with the fabric on it, it's just beautiful.
I like this guy.
This is like a velvet. And that
Look at the
almost
little claws.
looks like scales.
Yep. It's fabulous.
Oh,
So we
that's
did a
great.
goose. That's funny.
Is that a goose?
Yes.
Gander.
A two-handed. Oh,
Very
take
good.
a gander.
Very good wordplay.
Hypnotized. Look into my eyes. Had a double feature because
You take one hand, I take the other hand.
you can get your fingers.
We're going to clap hands. Clap hands, till the baby comes home. Clap hands, rah!
What's he called?
He's
Blooper. I think his name is Blooper.
Blue Pet. Blue Pet.
Blooper.
Oh, Blooper.
Blooper.
Search without my glasses. Blooper. Blooper dooper.
Grizzly bear cub. Just a fun, bright spring green kind of frog. Sky dragon. And what's great about him is a lot of movement, mouth, arms, and you can also do wings.
Oh, cool.
Just a sweet little fluff ball here. This screech owl that's it's just a rotating head.
Who would buy that?
Whoo! A chic leopard shark. This guy, he's very fun. What's going on in there?
Oh, that's sweet. He's looking for a banana, right?
Yeah, got one. Banana. Sea otter has a movable mouth.
I love
Just very
and the feet too, to be
Very
the
simple but
contrast.
very fluid. Tuxedo cat. If I can get it to.
Glad you're here. I finally get her to demonstrate.
Hey, hey, hey!
Cool about him is that he's got all this moving stuff.
Oh, his eyes are he's henpecked.
Funny. Anyway, he's just beautiful and got a
You
lot
wake
of
up in the
awards.
morning with that one. Oh, this one was hog.
Don't hog the camera, little pig. Hog.
Just like in the life of Pi, we have a little ferret.
This is the star of the commercials.
There you go.
He's the piggy
They're smart.
that you see on the plane. Woof, woof, woof. Ooh, he's cute. Oh, we're gonna fight. Let's have a fight. Fight. Oh,
This is the Jack Russell Terrier. Woof, woof, woof.
Is that the one from Frasier?
Yeah.